Hi friends, if you have chicken breast at home, then you must try this lemon garlic chicken breast recipe, which is not just quick and easy to make, but also tastes amazing and pairs well with a variety of side dishes like potato wedges or roasted vegetables of your choice, or even with mashed potatoes or cauliflower. So let's get started with the making of this amazing chicken breast recipe. And now we'll prepare a flavorful marination sauce. For that, we'll take a bowl and into it we will add half of 1/4 cup of olive oil. So that equals to 2 tablespoons. Then goes 1 tablespoon of lemon juice as well as some lemon zest, which will give a fresh and zesty flavor to our chicken breast. This will be enough. Then you will need around 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods. Also, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic bread seasoning as I'm obsessed with its flavors, and it has got dried garlic, onions, chives and oregano. And a teaspoon of Italian spice mix, which has got dried parsley, rosemary, thyme, oregano and chili flakes. And adding this mixed herbs will greatly enhance the flavor of our marination sauce. Then I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika powder. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste and half teaspoon of black pepper. And to balance the flavors, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of honey. But if you are on a strict keto diet, then you can avoid it. We'll now stir all the ingredients well. And our sweet, tangy and garlicky flavored marination sauce is ready. And here are the chicken breast. So you need to flatten them evenly so that they cook faster with all the flavors of the marination sauce. And now we need to generously apply the sauce over the chicken breast and massage the chicken breast with the marination sauce for at least 2 minutes so that they are coated well with the sauce from both the sides. And now I'm going to let them sit for at least 2 to 3 hours for best results. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, we will heat a non-stick pan, and without adding any oil, we will place the marinated chicken breast pieces. And on medium flame, we will cook the chicken breast first for 2 minutes until they are browned from one side. And after about 2 minutes, we will flip the chicken breast. And now we will put the flame on low, otherwise the garlic and herbs will start to burn before the chicken breast are cooked through. After another 3 minutes, we will flip the chicken breast one more time. And now we will pour the remaining marination sauce over the chicken breast and cook the chicken breast with the sauce for another 2 minutes on low flame. We'll keep on flipping the chicken breast in between so that they get cooked well with the marination sauce. And by now the chicken breasts are well browned from both the sides, coated well with the marination sauce. So I'll turn off the flame and serve them hot right away. And here goes our quick, easy and delicious lemon garlic chicken breast on the serving plate. I'll drizzle some leftover sauce from the pan on top of the chicken breast and garnish it with some chopped parsley and lemon wedges to complete the dish. So friends, do try this amazing chicken breast recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.